We haven't had a leader that's been focused, that brought like a private sector finance focus to the role. And I do think that in this case, because we have a big financial challenge in 2026, that we really do need someone that is like a financial specialist in the role, to help navigate through, the challenges and be able to understand like what a 5-year forecast looks like and how what we need to do to address that. The part that is not sustainable is committing to large projects without having any idea what they're going to cost and what they're going to cost like in the future. The city, since I've been on the council for a decade, we've never had a future forecast ever. And I've asked a bunch of times, and the city, they said we don't have the resources, we just don't know how to do it, we don't do it, which is it's not the right answer. We absolutely that I've done financial forecasting my entire career for companies. It is not rocket science. We have all of the pieces to be able to do that, and we should have an idea of what we think taxes are going to do, over a period of time. So in general, I think we need to take a step back before we commit to any additional projects without having a full understanding of what the costs are. I do think we need to complete the projects that have been promised to our community. We funded a few of those, but then second, in terms of labor costs, really it comes down to the healthcare costs, right? We're seeing runaway costs across the country. It's one of the biggest challenges that the entire United States has, and we have that same issue locally. And our healthcare costs are determined based on the plan design and the administration of those plans. We can relook at the administration of the plan and making sure that we are getting the best possible pricing on all parts of our plan. We can then meet with our union leaders and sit down and talk about a better plan design that still allows our employees to get, the coverage that they need, but minimizing their costs as well as costs to taxpayers. When I look at the landscape of mayoral candidates, I really feel like I'm the only one that brings it to the table.